Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep, pun intended, into a truly ambitious project. Deep, an initiative aiming to establish a permanent human presence under the sea. It's mind-blowing.
Whoa, a permanent underwater settlement? That sounds straight out of a sci-fi novel. What's the story behind this seemingly crazy idea?
It all started with a mysterious, deep-pocketed anonymous investor who's pouring hundreds of millions into this project. They're aiming to significantly increase our understanding of the ocean, a realm we still know surprisingly little about.
Interesting. So how are they planning to achieve this permanent underwater living?
They're building these incredible underwater habitats called sentinels. Think of them as high-tech, pressure-resistant underwater homes, capable of being deployed to depths of 200 meters. That's way beyond the sunlight zone.
200 meters? That's incredibly deep. What kind of technology are we talking about here?
The sentinels are built from specially developed steel to withstand the immense pressure. They're designed for up to 28 days of occupancy initially, but the ultimate goal is months, even years of continuous habitation. They're also designed to be relocatable, unlike previous attempts.
So it's not just about living underwater. It's about creating mobile research stations. That's a game changer for marine science. But what about safety? The Titan tragedy is still fresh in everyone's minds.
Absolutely. Safety is paramount. DEEP is working with DNV, a leading classification and safety agency, to ensure every aspect of the design and manufacturing process is rigorously tested and certified. They're not cutting corners. It's a far cry from the Titan.
That's reassuring. But even with the best technology, living underwater for extended periods presents unique challenges. How are they preparing people for this?
They're building a full-scale replica of the Sentinel on land, a simulator for training. This allows them to thoroughly assess the psychological impact of being confined in a small space with others for weeks on end. It's like a boot camp for aquanauts.
And what about the logistics, food, for example? How do you feed people living at such depths?
Ah, yes, the culinary aspect. They've got a chef, Joe Costa, creating a special menu with strong flavors to counteract the pressure's effect on taste buds. Think vacuum-sealed gourmet meals. Slow-roasted beef, truffle polenta, sticky toffee pudding. It's quite extravagant.
Extravagant indeed. But given the metabolic demands of living underwater, it makes sense. This whole project is incredibly ambitious, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Precisely. It's not just about technological innovation. It's about expanding our understanding of the ocean and our place within it. The potential for scientific discovery is immense. And who knows, maybe one day we'll all be enjoying a sticky toffee pudding 200 meters below the surface.
That's a thought. Thanks for shedding light on this fascinating project. It's certainly something to keep an eye on.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Join us again tomorrow for another dose of tech news and insights. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.